Are you looking for a way to automatically upload video files from Dropbox to YouTube? With zzBots, you can now install this as a bot pack from our bot store. This bot pack contains one bot. This bot will monitor for when a new file is added to the specified folder in Dropbox, and then automatically upload that file to YouTube as a new video. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click next and follow the instructions to connect to your Dropbox account and to your YouTube account. After you finish installing this bot pack, you will be taken to the bots page. All you will need to do here is select the folder in Dropbox that you want to monitor. To select a subfolder, reselect the parent folder until you reach the subfolder that you are looking for. By default, the title of the YouTube video will be the same as the file name, although you can customize this along with the description, tags, and all of the other video settings. To finish, save your bot and enable it, as shown here. After it is enabled, your bot will continue to monitor for when a new file is added to the specified folder in Dropbox, and then automatically upload that file to YouTube as a new video. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your apps together or automate your business, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzBots.com and we'll be glad to help you.